Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 16. The function f of x is given by the equation f of x equals 3 times x squared plus 2. The values for the quadratic function h of x are shown in the table. Which statement about the y-intercept of f of x is true? Alright, so which statement about f of x is true? Alright, so if we come up here, we can distribute this 3, and then we can easily see 3 times 2 is 6. So we can see that f of x equals 3x squared plus 6. And if you remember from quadratics, this plus 6 is your y-intercept. Okay? If you don't remember that, you can quickly graph this and find the y-intercept of that equation. Alright, so h of x is in the table. So you can find the intercept there as well. Anytime the x is 0, that means if you graph this point 0 down 6, that's the y-intercept because it falls on the y-axis. Alright, so the y-intercept of f of x is 6 and h of x is negative 6. Alright, so it is 12. What is it? F of x. Which statement about f of x is true? So f of x is 12 units above h of x. Well, that's true because from negative 6 up to 6, that is 12 units. All right, so we can go ahead and determine that M is the correct answer, but let's check the others just to make sure. So it is 8 units above. Well, it can't be 8 units if it's 12 units, and it's not going to be 6 or 4. So the best answer here, or the only correct answer here, is going to be M. So for number 16, the correct answer is M.